What's going on, guys? Today we're going to install the Mighty Mouse V2 Wild kit, catch can kit. Comes with a filter, fittings, hoses, a bleeder, all of that. We're going to throw it on my 2009 CTSV. It's got some work done to it. It's going to sit right back there. And I've heard that these cars, when you're making a certain amount of power, oil will go through the blower. You don't want that, so it hooks up right to here, and it should route right back here. It'll go next to all these other, fancy lines. Should be easy. We'll see how it goes. Sits right back there. Two 10mm holding it on, and then you just pull off this top, and it comes with a new one. Plug the bottom, and then you just route your lines. You got the 6 AN fitting right there, and then you've got the one at the bottom right down here, and it runs all the way down to the bottom of the car, and it hooks up right here to your transmission bolt. And it's a little bleeder, so you just open and close it whenever. So that's all tucked away nice and neat. We'll come up. It's really nice and secure back there. You run this instead of your cap. You put this on, run the line straight back, and it'll plug in right back there, as you can see. And then this PVC, it's called the U-turn. Aftermarket is this one at the top, and then the one down there, you just put the little cap and good to go. That's been the install. 10 out of 10. I'd say it's out of 5. It's probably a 2 out of 5 for difficulty.